Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the sunrise and sunset glance on the Garmin Instinct 2 watch. Now I'm using the Solar, it shouldn't matter which version of the Garmin Instinct 2 you've got. Now if you happen to have one of the Garmin Instinct 1 watches, I've done a video in the past that shows you the same thing on the Garmin Instinct 1. It's pretty simple. All we're going to have to do is you have to have the glance installed. I've done a video that shows how to install and remove glances. I've already got it installed, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to press the down button. You can use up or down to go into your glances. The first one I've got is the sunrise sunset. You can see from the glance you've got basically just some general information. My sunrise today was at 6:27 a.m. My sunset is at 8:11 p.m. It shows you how long you've got, and it shows a little gauge here of how long until the sunset. Each day, if I looked after sunset, it would show me the next information for sunrise. If we press the GPS button, which is the upper right button, we can go into the details of the glance. So we can see some more information. Again, sunrise, sunset, but we can also see the twilight times as well as where the sun is on the horizon for the day. Since I'm in the glance, I can also use the up or down buttons on the left-hand side to go and look at either a previous day or a future day. So you can go anywhere in the future and look to see the sunrise and sunset information, which is pretty beneficial if you're somebody who does photography, maybe hunting, fishing, stuff like that. It's a nice feature. The other thing that's kind of cool is while you're in the glance, if you hold down the up button, which is your menu button, you can also choose the location that you're looking at this information for. You'll notice that it says location and current location. Well, if I press GPS, I can use a saved location and look at the information for that saved location. I can enter specific GPS coordinates to look at the sunrise and sunset information for any coordinates I want to in the world. Or again, I can use my current location to look at that information. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it on current location, but I did want you to know that's available. If you also press and hold the menu button, if you go down to alerts and press the GPS button, you can turn on the till sunrise or till sunset alert. So what this is if you have this turned on, I'm gonna go ahead and press GPS and I'll toggle it on. You can set an alert. In this case, we're in till sunset for a specific amount of time before sunset for the given day. So currently mine is set at 10 minutes. So every day if I have this alert on at 10 minutes until sunset, I'll get an alert on my watch. You can do the same thing for till sunrise. You can set one or not the other as I've got in this example. Go ahead and press back. Get back to your glance. Once you're done with your glance, you can simply press the back button, bottom right button, get you back to your glance list, and then eventually back to your main watch face. Pretty simple stuff. Again, that's the basics of using the sunrise and sunset glance on your Garmin Instinct 2 watch. I hope the video helps.